If you want to measure the engine, the oil capacity, if you go to menu here, it will take you to that menu there, and if you go to vehicle information, select that and go to vehicle status, obviously you navigate with this little wheel, and then you press the wheel to select what you want, and then you go to engine oil level and measure engine oil level, select that, and once the car is warm, so I left the car running for a while, it's at about what, I don't know, 78 90 degrees or so, or 80 something. I pressed cancel. Go to, if the car is not warm enough, you won't be able to select that. So now I can start measuring, and now it's gonna start measuring, so that may take a little while. And also you will hear the engine rev up a little bit while it's doing it. Okay, now that's measured, and you can see it's at the max there. So you go that line at the top, which is the max, and that one is the minimum. So if you were checking your oil, how much oil you have half through the year, and it was down here, you would want to top up a bit. And obviously if it was halfway, then that's okay. But that's how you can measure your oil. But obviously since I just serviced the car, it should be at the max anyway. So thank you for watching.